Sige. Sige, allowed siya pa. Kaakyat tamo. Ano ko sabi yung check out na. Oh, sino nakakarit? No, tamo rin. Left, right.
Left.
Left.
Ay. Right.
Right. Pala yung 7-Eleven. Down.
Good morning.
Wala pa.
We left the accommodation at 9 a.m. Nagmadali kaming umalis. Good thing, meron charging station doon sa accommodation.
Magkano babayaran pala dun sa amin?
Ay, oo.
I'll ask.
Oo. Ask na lang. Kasi yung charging station nila is being offered at a lower rate compared to outsiders. So kapag nakabook ka sa accommodation, parang 18 pesos per kilowatt hour siya. Whereas kapag outsider, pinapagamit nila sa outsiders, nasa 24 pesos per kilowatt hour. Yan. So we left the accommodation at 100%. Ngayon, we are at 99%. We have distance to empty 324 kilometers. Pero mag-i-stay na muna kami dito sa SM or yung sasakyan mag-i-stay dito sa SM car park. Tapos maglilibot, magsisimba, we'll buy something, mapasalubong siguro or coffee. Ay, may coffee na tayo.
Yeah, we have.
Alright, so ayun, nag-i-stay muna dito until later in the afternoon na uwi na kami. First time namin makapag-park dito sa SM car park na meron ng mga indicators. Kapag red means occupied yung parking slot. Galing. Convenient. Not sure. Tapos dito hindi na flat rate ang parking fee. By the hour. Not sure kung magkano. We'll find out later. Alright, from SM naglakad kami. Buti pababa naman yung most of the route, pero itong last leg umakyat kami. Dito muna magsisimba. Patapos yung mass. Wow, nice view. Ito yung Burnham Park. Tapos yun yung SM Baguio. Tapos sa likod ito yung Our Lady of Atonement Parish Church. Then ito parking area ito, pero may mga nagtitinda. Lapit sa ang konti. So this church was established around 1936, so fairly new church. Not sure kung saan banda yung mga lumang churches dito. Start na ng next mass.
Juanita at iyong kakaka, Joselito Abuan, Angelita Teodoro at Rocky Rivera, Angie Ilan at Dalit Manager, Mayu Adon, Pinaventura Adon, Mercedes Adon, Pinasisima Borja, Senyor Borja Senor, Angelito Borja, Jack Lacalaw, Luis Lacalaw, Ignacio Simano, Joseph Simano, Rafi Ernesto Ramo, Melita Molina Quinta, Dominga Puertano, Serena de Macion, Elena de la Cristina Monreal, Tutemora de Santa Maria, Nakaraan, Sumataka, Kaniya, Namata at Ayala, wala ko yung sa Pilipinas, para ko sila, Edward,
Makapapasok na. Tapos na ang mas. Lamang magla-lunch muna kami sa SM Baguio.
We're gonna do a lot of snacks.
Lunch?
You're an old man.
Where lunch?
Nanyang. Let's go lunch.
Moment na yun, maalala.
Oh. Alright. Galing kami doon sa Cathedral. Papunta naman ngayon sa SM. Pabalik sa SM. Ayun. Here. Here. Yung nakatakot ay itang paukya to ito. Oh,
So, ito tamo. Di ba may dala ng tamo naman, no? Okay, may tamo. Ano ang tamo dumayan?
ay ta. Oh.
Same thing kasi eh. I think pedestrian.
Pedestrian. Tapos akit doon, doon. Nakarating din ng SM. We'll just go get something to bite. Then uuwi na kami after nun. Kaninang nandun tayo. Ay, yun pala. Yun yung view na nakikita natin. A portion of the Burnham Park. Pero dito, in full view yung Burnham Park, including yung lake. Nasaan yung mga hindi ko nakikita masyado. Yung mga swans. Tapos ito yung University of Cordillera. Nice view. Mountain tops. Too bad hindi ako masyadong familiar sa mga mountains. Names ng mga mountains na nandito. Wow. Look at that. Part of the mountain. Punong-puno na ng mga residential areas. Dahil nandito pala kami sa side ng SM ito. We'll be eating here sa Nanyang. Hinihintay lang namin yung food.
At may drink it.
This is Milo Dinosaur. Rawr. Rawr. This is nasi lemak. Tapos, ano kasi yan?
My name is Chicken Rice.
Care please.
Sana mag-order ka na lang.
Wala lang po natin yung... Mami, order pa po ba sila?
Wala na.
Wala na. Hindi po, kunin mo na po yung table natin. Salamat.
Chicken rice. Also chicken rice. Tapos laksa.
Laksa.
Yan. Yung nasi lemak pala has primarily chicken. Tapos itong, ano kasi ito?
Sambal.
Sambal.
Malaysian sambal.
And then peanuts, mga dilis, tsaka egg. Pero traditionally, sa Malaysia, I think yung nasi lemak nila, it's just either fish, rice, at saka yung sambal. And then nagkakaroon
Fancy
ng...
na yan.
Oo, medyo fancy na tong meal na to. It's a traditional breakfast meal for Malaysians and Singaporeans. Tapos, yung chicken rice, inalis yung soup. Yung chicken rice, it's a popular meal sa Singapore. Pero Malaysia na rin yata yan. Yeah, merong steamed chicken. Tapos mga nanulaksi rin.
Condiments.
Oh.
This is garlic. Ginger. Tapos chili. Toyo. Soy.
Oras toyo.
Uy, tangguli agisan mo na.
Ayun yun.
Oh, okay. Tapos ito yung variation ng chicken rice. Yung chicken niya is hindi steamed, fried. And then same condiments.
Toyo naman yun eh. Dark soy.
And then the small boy is eating soup.
Naman country.
Ating kaming kaluguran.
This is actually the anchovies.
Kaya Beobra dati. Coming from Singapore, I'm coming from Malaysia. Every day mag-travel sa Singapore. So king border. Ating sa salwan na nasi lemak for $1. So just mga 30 pesos ito. $1. Napin ito, breakfast meal niya makabalot yung bulong saging. Little children. Doon nakadala Jollibee. We're back at the car. Next stop, Marauders.
Diba Maro?
Okay, and then from Marauders, go home na.
That's the Marauders Cafe.
Yeah, I just want to see what's in there.
It's as complicated as a resolution. But it's cards.
Anong
End of game. All the villains are defeated.
Ay, baliktad.
Ang gulo na niya.
Hogwarts.
When this location is revealed, all heroes discard a spell. Each turn reveal a spell. Ang gulo na ito. Says,
We're on the way home. Charge is currently at 98%. Galing kami sa coffee shop na to, Marauders Brew. Harry Potter yung theme nung cafe. Teka, atras lang kami.
In 100 meters, make a U-turn on Montiona.
Ooh, tarik.
To the right tayo niyan.
Yeah. From the main road, magra-right tayo. going by Marcos Highway. Ano daw? Ben Palispis Highway. Okay. Say goodbye, Baguio.
Bobby.
See you next year.
Turn left on Montanala. Then turn right on Seaside Road.
We're always here, like every year.
We'll be here next week.
See you in a few months, Baguio.
Huwag naman.
See you tomorrow.
Oh my gosh. Do you really want to stay longer in Baguio?
At the roundabout, take the first exit on 208, Asperis Palisman, Marcos Highway.
But ang name niya is Aspirin? Asperis Palispis?
Please.
Pero it's, just Marcos Highway.
Marami pa tayong hindi napupuntahan din naman dito sa Baguio, di ba?
Continue straight for
maybe
1 hour
next time
and
we
5
can go
minutes to
camping,
209,
like
Rosario Pugo Road.
Camping in Baguio.
May mga campsite.
That's gonna be very cool.
Hindi siya sa city proper, of course. May sa mga
Okay.
outskirts of Benguet. Not Baguio itself, but Benguet.
Pero wala pa tayong tent. Nasira yung tent natin.
Ah, sira na.
We need a
Oo.
bigger tent.
We need a better tent.
Oo.
I don't think I would like to live in Baguio.
Meaning.
Why?
It's too cold. And the water is very, very cold.
Yeah, it's too cold. Like, I cannot... Pero na lang kung meron tayong hot shower. Like a working...
Yeah.
Pero minsan kasi yung water pressure dito medyo masakit din, di ba? Kaya palagi lang atikay.
I'll wipe the windshield muna. Do we have
Basahan?
Oo.
Wala ka bang basahan?
We have basahan.
Sa likod?
Oo.
Santa Catalina Spirituality Center.
Kapag merong ramp, I'll
Fog.
Burnt up is again.
Sige po ate. Forestel.
Subaru.
Subaru. So we are now going to enter, or we are already on Marcos Highway.
Yeah,
Already Marcos Highway.
Marcos Highway.
Okay.
Going down. Ay, 97% tama.
Bakit?
Ma-charge siya kanyon.
Puso?
Sayang yung charge.
Tatang, you're such a...
Ay?
Eh?
97.
O tara, lumibuta pa ulit para mabawasan niya. It's starting to get foggy, oh.
Yeah. Burnt
Kita.
up is again.
Sayang. Bakit may in-charge ko?
It's 97.
Currently, it's at 97%. Via Nagilian Road yun. I gained a maximum of 6% down pababa. Downhill. So, 97%. Oh, sayang yung charge.
It's sayang. It's sayang. We're gonna use it later.
Yeah, the maximum I can charge now is 3%. Kasi 97% ko eh. Sorry. Kenny ding sakyan po ating paukyat makanita nung taga Kenny lang. They usually give way. Si balot ang masakiting paukyat. Mama na muna. Diyos kung kaya.
Baka handbrake ka.
Yes. Windshield.
Isaan danom? Tatang danom. Parang hindi mo naalis eh. May linis sa kanya. Ha? May linis sa kanya.
Yeah.
Eh, kabisang dinamer danom.
Think kung danom.
Wait ka nga, linis sa may nating danom. Dapat ginanyan mo muna bago mo kinuskos.
No. Nalikabok.
Ah, okay.
And then if there's rain, it's gonna be washed up.
Kasi yan, magdadryan yan. Hindi?
No.
Sige.
Pag merong car wash.
Anong car
Yes.
wash?
Ay kapag ating gas station.
Car wash is like there.
Yan, nalinis kasi may tubig.
So downhill, I'm getting up to 11 kilowatts of charge kanina. Ayan, 10, 9. So I'm charging up to 11 kilowatts dito sa downhill ng Marcos Highway. So you see nagiging negative 10 kilowatts. So instead na nag-exert ng power yung battery, yung downhill ang nag-charge pa sa battery natin. So kung if you were driving a gas car tapos downhill, wala namang nagbabalik na gasolina eh. Pero with the EV, yun, you're getting free energy.
Saan tayo pwedeng saling kahit na magpasalubong? Sige, dyan na lang ikaw na. I'm gonna get some lemon and some gulay. Do you wanna go down? Gabit? May gusto ka, Gabit?
Ooh, look, fog.
Pasalubong.
Fog.
I'm just gonna get some vegetable for Lola. Ay, pasalubong ko. Ay.
Bilib daw ng mga veggies para kay Lolo. Veggies. Doon tayo papunta sa highway na yun. Parang humaba yung tunnel ngayon.
That's the new tunnel yata eh.
I don't think ginawa yung tunnel dito. Hindi ako sure.
Ba't siya humaba kung hindi siya ginawa?
Ewan ko.
Ano yan, magic?
Yun, fog. Pag. Daming pag.
Pagpag.
Daming pag.
My gosh. Bakit natin ng billboard, Kenny?
Billboard of who?
Of Bingo Plus. Ay, grabe na yung manining truck. Ay, di mamaligwayo. Katagulo na na. One way ba to?
No. Tapos,
Tapos?
double, ano pa oh.
Kaya nga.
Double yellow line. Well, mata siya vantage point siguro. So, akakit na siguro nung ating incoming vehicle.
Gusto kahit na. Diyan na di-disgrasya yung mga tao.
Oo.
Pag hindi sumusunod.
Yeah. Yan, yun na yung
What?
yung anong tawag dyan? Tunnel.
Hindi naman humaba, parang same naman yan.
Okay.
Manila Biotiplex.
So from afar kanina kala
Parang mahaba.
oh, kala ko humaba siya. Baka nasanay lang tayo dun sa Cannon Road, yung bagong tunnel doon sa Cannon Road. Baka. Oh, it's the same length.
Mm-mm.
Buti pa lang dito na lang tayo bumili.
O, nagsisisi ka na naman. Kanina kang magsisi.
Wala naman yan.
Hanggang kaya pa naman, marakal makanyan eh. Marakal pang pasalubong. So, kahit no ka rin ka pa mag-stop. It's the same thing.
Umuulan.
Isaira, kaya niya kaning Baguio. Happy place na. Yeah, she always likes Baguio. She always wants to go to Baguio. Kahit di lang si Arlene, burita yung Baguio. Hindi sila nagsasawa sa Baguio.
Me too.
Sabi mo itataas ko para hindi nakikita yung floor. Yung ano.
Kaso dumin yan.
O, pag ginanyan ko kasi, saan ko lalagay?
Sige.
Ikaw mo na yung babayaran ng cameraman mo.
Sige, bayaran kayo po.
Bayaran mo ba na?
Oo.
Sige ah. Ting Wilcons Kenny.
Happen.
Matagal nang gagaya.
Pag.
Ako, buri ko naman yung Baguio eh. It's just that una, nakakatakot yung daan. So much.
Downhill.
Yeah, uphill, downhill. And then, lamig ng tubig pag toothbrush. Tsaka paghugas ng puwet. Sobrang lamig.
Nye. Nye.
Yeah, yeah.
Nye. 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 Nye.
But I want to take Gizmo too again when we go back.
Lalo tanong magkasakit. Kahit katamangan.
Hey, ang daming pet friendly na ano sa Baguio, no? Di ba, Nonak?
I don't like that.
Dining kayo na rin
Ganito yung parang blug 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 blug.
Malamang bayo lang rin yung bali-bali nga rin eh.
Asfalto na to eh. Tapos meron siyang brug 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 brug.
Yun mo? Oh, yung mga tanaman. Malalaking puno na sa taas. Oh my gosh. I love to ba?
I can't see anything on the screen.
Empanada, bibingka, kakanin.
It turns the screen automatically off
Why?
to conserve energy.
Makes sense, of course. Pero maka-amaze pinetang. Ring bale ka rin na po ang kahit yung laking babo. Ayun pa. Pero kay China nga nakaldigmaan niya. Bundok. I want to go to China too. still such a big city, no? Pero part of Disney is not Baguio anymore. It's Benguet. Pero Benguet. I mean, you shouldn't just say Baguio. It's Benguet.
There's this mountain we went to when I was a student. Sa top kasi ng mountain, merong mga antenna tsaka mga communications equipment. So, you might wonder why did they put them on top of a mountain? Well, you don't have to build high towers, kaya nilagay na lang nila sa tip ng mountain.
It's gonna be hard to
Like that?
Yeah. So instead of building a tower like that, they just place communications equipment on top of it. Tapos, we were walking like 12 noon. Tapos ang lamig-lamig.
12 noon? Ako rin bundok na.
Mount Pulag yata? Ay,
Pulag?
no. I don't know what's one of the highest peak dito sa Baguio or sa Benguet. Pero yun, so sobrang lamig. We had to stay under the sun para hindi kami masyadong lamigin. O syempre, na sunburn kami kasi imagine noontime sun yun.
Mali kayo makakaya, maka-long sleeves.
Maka-long sleeves kami, o naging lupa mi. Exposed la, lupa, neck.
Wala kayong kaya, hat.
Oo. And alam mo naman expect na ma-sunburn kami.
Kasi marimla.
Oo, kasi nakarimla. And then, ito nga, if you stay out of the sun, yung punta ka sa lilim, sobrang lamig naman kahit na naka-jacket ka na. Ang lamig pa rin. Kaya yun. That was my first sunburn experience.
Alam mo, katibudaling ba to? Vegetables na. Cavaliers. Oh. Dito ka na-go pa. Siguro mag-slow down ka kung natin kakakatid gagawa na.
Yes. Yes. Yun yung dinalanta mo Kenon. Di ba pilan lamong spots detang matarik.
Oo.
So I felt ali masyadong paukyat in King Kenon. Whereas Kenny, like bala mo all throughout the trip, pababata mo man. Although in Kenon, it's mga 35 kilometers. Ini yata 40 kilometers. Or alim. Basta.
Di ba kaya pin-high kasi Marcos Highway, mga lapad, di ba?
Yawa.
Cannon Road, talagang two-way.
Yawa.
Tapos,
It's for small vehicles. Alang truck and alang bus ka rin. Gavin? Do you want to research which spot is yung bus ni Marcos?
Bus?
Oo.
Anong bus?
Kaya was
Bus.
bus. Yung ano.
Yung head ni Ferdinand Marcos.
Wala na yun eh.
Vandalis na yun.
Oo.
Oh, pero yung ano na, yung foundation niya nandun pa rin.
Sa mga highways.
Na? Oh, pero it's from this highway mo siya makikita eh.
Wow, look at that. It's a view deck. View area. Oh, wow. Tapos mag-drone ka kin. Something.
Kahit mag-research tayo minsan no niya akit itang original bust. Oh, animals. The thing is an
Why
animal.
is Superman this thing? What a giant Dalmatian.
Yeah. Oh. Solid yellow line. Pag-overtake tama. No, not here.
I love Robertsville City. Sabi na, Robertsville City. Cordillera Eagles Region 3.
Eagles.
The eagles are everywhere. The Farm Ko Farm by Park. Park daw yun. Cordillera Eagle Region 3 na naman. Asyahan, pare ko. Taylor Sur Benguet. Nakamulat siya gamit.
Ano?
May okseno rin gamit na kanyan.
Mag-pop ko balupok.
Magkenti ka. Taloy pala. Kala ko Taylor. Taloy, Sura. Kabilis na ba mo? Yan o, wala ni. Namin dapat andiyan natin yung makanita. Dapat natin itang rubber ng tali niya.
Alina naman siguro isipan.
Ika nga, mo nga aisip-isipan na magkapalyaryan ka. Pero, may ako yung possibility na kapalyaryan ka. I also saw one vlogger. Ring may nakbag na tapang kain ng camera, no? Ay, drone, no? Buti na mo niyang tinrace back na, ikit na lang po. May nakbagyan naman itang nangas kay compartment box. May buklat yan naman itang kayo. Tapos, realize na namo, ating karong kakalagto. So, ito, ikit na ba ang buklat siya. Buti na mo itang drone na mismo, at siya pakikilot. Pero natang gamit na lang, itang battery, I don't know ano yung basta yung gamit. Tapos kay parking ng SM Park natin. Ay, SM Park. SM Baguio. Itang meto na big bike. Nakasating tangkay ng compartment natin yung lalagyan. Ganun, tapos makalakyo, tinyang lalagyan. Separate kikay, tapos makalakyo, tapos another big box para gamit makalakyo. Lock. CR. kabising road ay tayo makakalun sa yan. Call only house and lot for sale.
Oo.
May nalarin, kinutas na.
Go, yan. Sige. Kahit na mabawas yung pressure nating makatuking ang gulo. Makaunya pa mo headlights. Wala mamaligwa.
Mamalik ko talaga, wala na ako. Start.
Diba?
Mga ninig feel tama na. Pagising ko kanya. Sige, pwede na saling balik. Sayang ang balik-balik. Ang booking. Sige.
Di ba kanina we started at 97%, tapos at some point nabawasan siya, naging 96%. Ngayon 99% na tayo, so we gained like 4% so far. 4%. Yeah, imagine nagkaano, dinagdagdagan yung gas natin ng ano, ng downhill. Galing. Good news. We are now at 100% charge. Woo! Diba? Sayang. Kaso, although at 100% na siya, yung distance to empty is hindi pa nakasagad. Like currently at 315 kilometers pa lang yung distance to empty. So as of now, nagcha-charge pa yung sasakyan due to the downhill road. Ang maximum na DTE natin so far is 325 kilometers. So we still have pretty much mga 10 kilometers na pwedeng idagdag sa charge natin. Sayang dapat nag-charge lang tayo at 90%, or we should have left Baguio at 90% charge. Kasi in the past, yun nga, ang maximum na na-charge sa atin was 6%. But that was going a different route. I'm not sure kung iba yung charging experience dito sa Marcos Highway. Pero yan, let's see. Pero yun nga, sayang. At right at this point, mukhang konti na lang yung pwedeng madagdag na charge sa atin. So 100%. Tapos we still have 2 hours and 51 minutes to go. And that's with a total of 159 kilometers. 159 kilometers. Yan. So pagdating sa baba, let's recalibrate yung computations natin kung mga ilang percent yung gagamitin natin coming from Rosario papunta ng Pampanga. Yeah. Oo nga pala, tumigil kami. Hindi ko alam ano yung source ng traffic.
Sabi niya, road work 150 meters ahead.
Ah,
So, baka one way.
may ginagawang daan.
Wala namang pumupunta dito. Meron.
Okay.
Baka ating part na one way siya.
So let's see kung ano yung ginagawang daan down the line.
Sabi niya, Taloy Sur National High School. This way.
Pakalibig na lang. Taloy Sur National High School. So pupunta dito may high school. Parang gusto ko makita, mama. Pwede? Let's Let's see ano yung ginagawa up ahead. Oh, okay. So, ano kasi day today, mama?
I don't know.
Oh, May 18.
May 18.
So, May 18, 2025, merong ginagawang section ng daan dito sa Marcos Highway.
La Union. This is Taloy Sir La Union.
Oh. This public service announcement is brought to you by Bebang's Bagoong.
Left lane blocks ahead.
Ano ito? Lane block ahead. Ooh.
May ginagawa na naman.
Ating kaya ka rin, no? Grotto. Up on top. Tapos, multiple times ko nakikita ng the four-way test.
Of the think we say, we think, say, or do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial
To all concerned.
Oh.
If all of the above,
That's the four-way test for kay ano yan.
for
Ay. Nano kasi
truth, fair, goodwill, better friendships, beneficial.
The Lions Club.
Oh, pero ang laking, anong tawag dyan? Billboard, ano? Tapos ayun, no? May ano doon?
Ano?
Grotto. May giraffe,
Laksa dinosaur nga
ito
natin.
pa.
Giraffe yun.
Tapos si Jesus.
Oh, my.
Do you see it,
Hindi
Garrett?
si Jesus yan. Baka si ano yan, si Noah. May animals eh.
Oh well,
Hindi?
I don't know. Looks like Jesus.
Anong suot ni Jesus? Eh.
Yan. This is the second section ng road along Marcos Highway na nasara coming from Baguio. Parang may sira eh. Sira yung sakit. I don't know.
Big charge battery na rin.
Yes, I
Big
did.
battery na yun.
I did. 370 kilometers na. 370 kilometers. Ay, wala. Wala na po kami sa mga kabundukan. Kami nasa kapatagan na. I can feel the heat. Hindi na ganoon kalamig. Bye-bye. Baguio temperatures. Magbalik tayo rin, mama. Itong mabali ulit. Yeah. Malapit na. Oops. Need to turn. Mag-stop over tapa muna eh. Katang rotonda. Rotonda 300 meters.
In 300 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit on E1 TPLEX south.
Gana muna tayo. Stop over. I wanna pee. wanna pee.
Yes.
Ah?
Also.
Okay, we all pee. Shell.
At the roundabout, take the second exit on E1 TPLEX.
Stop over tayo doon sa may maraming fuel. Ano ka rin tamo munta? Karen? Kitang clean fuel?
Pwede rin.
Bang kening metong ini.
Sige nga, kung nakalin mo ba rin.
Subukan ta naman kening metong. Kasi every time ka rin tamo yun.
Tatanig ka.
So let's see. Ayun yung T-Plex. That way to T-Plex. Pero
At the roundabout,
Merong
take
ano
the fourth
doon?
exit.
happiest place ever. Pero bala malatiya ini eh. Mas malatiya kumpara kitang clean fuel.
Ba't tanarin kayo na dati may CR tama kayo?
Kaya kulit ko pa.
May 7-Eleven pa ako.
Hindi nga
Make
beta.
a U-turn. Then turn right.
Ikatamo mo.
Talaga?
Basta ako may CR na ako kayo.
Yeah, 2 hours pa.
You were not with me that time. Okay.
Ay, ni Camry o something na.
6 something.
Wala ka rin eh. Ito.
Or 7.
Let's try there. Let's go! We are in ano to? Star Fuel? Share muna tayo dito. I think it's my first time ko yata dito. Ito yung mga pwedeng kainan. Shakey's nasa kabilang gas station. Coffee Library, Kamayan Food Park. Walang masyado. Oh, come on. Let's go back to the car.
Yung mga hihintay si Mama. Hindi na.
Babalikan ko siya. Okay. Balikan ko si Mama. Okay, battery check. We are at 96%. This is pretty much the charge nung pababa tayo from Baguio. So like we traveled from Baguio to Rosario. That was a good 40 kilometers. 40 or 45 kilometers. Confirm ko mamaya. Pero I think it's 40 kilometers. And we pretty much spent no battery, no fuel. Diba? Going home from this point on hanggang Pampanga, so far we'll have to travel according dito sa map 141 kilometers. We'll be home in 2 hours and 20 minutes kung dire-diretso tayo ng biyahe. Not sure kung magkakaroon pa tayo ng stopover, pero yun, 140 kilometers. Time is 4:34 p.m. So by the time na makauwi tayo, it will be around 6:30 or 6 Going 7 na. Okay. Right, hintayin lang namin si Mama and then we'll go. It's raining. Pero ano kasi temperature kanina? Oh. Nung ano tayo, hindi ko na check pala. Pero ang init. Init. Yan, buti nga umuulan. Mukhang umuulan. Oh, well, umuulan na. So, let's see. Rainbow. Nakikita ba? Rainbow.
Here's the rainbow. Yeah.
Wala na.
Oo, nakita.
Tapos the rain is going upward there. Look. We're going so fast, the rain is going upward.
Raindrops. It's
Rain.
already a drop.
Rain is dropping up.
It's dropping upwards. Sobrang init, no? Tapos umulan.
Oo. Wala, grabe kasi nakatali silang dip.
Ang init sa La Union.
Like from 24 degrees down to 32.
Kung ano ang lamig ng Baguio.
Hindi na naman gumagana yung voice control camera. Pero yan, officially nasa Kapatagan na tayo.
Nueva Ecija.
Na?
Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija? Oh?
It says you are entering Nuevo Nueva Ecija, something like that.
Oh, okay. Nueva Ecija. No. Dapat natin tamang mountain monitor para baluta lang ang names ng mountains na nakakita ko. Diba? Something. Anong ka-flat?
Gusto mo mag-stop over, Gavin?
Ay, ala na. Ata na.
Natutulog sila.
Wala, bakit kaya mo yung happiest place ever?
Ay, nako. That's not my happiest place. That's just yours.
But we are now entering SCTEX. End na ng T-Plex ito. And we are left with 53 kilometers to travel. Ano kasi tayo? 100.
Nagugutom ba kaya?
We started with 140 kilometers, di ba?
Parang nagugutom.
From the Rosario.
Oh, what is this kasi? Oh, yeah, the burger. Pangabalot. Para siyang mushroom. It's a mushroom burger.
So we're left with 53 kilometers. So that would use up mostly mga 20% pa? Ah, no. Mga 15 to 20%. Mga 15%. So 64% tayo ngayon. Most likely makakarating tayo ng bahay at 50% charge. Yun. Diba gano'n naman yung estimate natin kanina from the time we left Rosario. So we assume around 50%.
There's a chicken burger. Chicken burger.
Yeah. Okay. Medyo traffic jam.
Ano, medyo traffic talaga.
Oh, sige, traffic jam.
Alam mo, red yung ano.
Uy, ay alala ko na naman itang karambola.
Traffic na yun.
We stay. We stay to the left. At least kaining truck na yung kenggulo tamo. Truck na yung nasa likod namin. So kapag binanggayan, hopefully hindi siya masyadong gagalaw para di kami matamaan. Hindi ma-squeeze. Parang ano yun, ano? Ano kasing movie yun? Yung mga nakakatakot yung pagkamatay ng mga characters sa movie.
I don't know.
Eh?
Horror?
Horror. Dali.
Horror talaga.
Titang...
Very tragic.
Wow, very tragic.
Are you asking for a title?
Wow, title.
I don't know. Parang na rin horror movies. Oh, familiar. Ala, nagkarambola na nga yata sila. Speaking.
Ali na yaman. Kaya sira niya mo. Okay, nanitang movie.
There's specific limb.
No, yung mga tragic, yung mga deaths ng mga like mamamatay, maiipit sa elevator,
Alam ko na.
matutusok sa kung ano-ano.
Pero hindi ko alam yung title.
Ha? Eh?
I know what you did last summer.
Yeah.
Continue straight on Tarlac Central Toll Plaza.
Yeah.
I can't remember.
Sige, basta. Yun. Oh, lampasan muna natin itong toll plaza. And then, pag nasa SCTEX na tayo, update tayo ulit. Tata! Yan yung EV, Gineco EJ6. See, green plate pa siya. So, meaning EV. Even if temporary lang siya.
Yung tour na mga.
Oo. So, I don't know magkano. Looks expensive.
Ito pa yung maliwanas.
Okay, we are now in SCTEX. Ito yung CL Lex na to. Goes to Nueva Ecija.
Crazy. Ang kabalatuhan.
Kung yung SCTEX and T-Plex goes from south
In
to
1
north,
kilometer,
yun naman.
continue straight on E1 at
CL Lex
south.
goes from west to east or east to west. Yeah. So parang cross sila. Cross.
What's that mountain? Is that a lion?
Reduce speed ahead.
That's our favorite.
Toll plaza. Ito yung toll plaza ng SCTEX. We're stopping over for stretching and CR break. Yeah. So crowded.
Already here, so I'm just gonna walk.
Stay to the left.
Crowded.
That's a big sign.
Ba't may pumasok dalawa?
Ooh, ganda. Nice. Pasok lang tayo para mag-wiwi. Then tulong ko kung kakain kami. Nag-CR lang. CR lang. Tapos, yeah. Ginabi na. Airplane. Saan kasi tayo? There. I think over there. Aha. Ayun. 28 kilometers away. Tapos we have 53% left. So we'll use roughly around 8% more.
Maybe, I don't know.
Maybe. Or 10%. Sabihin natin 10%. Yun, so we'll be home with maybe 40+% of charge. We are near home. 13 kilometers left before we reach home. Tapos 46%. Medyo tama naman yung estimate. Ano sabihan ko lang? Goodbye. See you soon.
See you on our next trip.
See you on our next trip. Baguio ulit. Okay. Bye-bye. Nakauwi na kami. So we are left with 36% of charge. We started with 100%. Tapos ngayon 36% na lang. So all in all, with this Baguio trip, we traveled around 390 kilometers. So let's estimate that to be 400 kilometers. And then yung mga pag-charge namin sa labas, including yung pag-charge namin sa bahay, we spent a total of 850 pesos. 850 divided by 400, so that's around 2 pesos. So that's how much we spent. At least we spent 2 pesos per kilometer na travel namin. If we were just charging at home, wala kang solar panels, wala kang solar system, you're purely charging off of your electric utility, you'll be spending around a peso per kilometer. So supposedly, kung on a day-to-day basis, yun, that's how much I am paying for my travel. For every kilometer, I pay 1 peso. So supposedly, kung nag-travel ako ng 400 kilometers, I should be paying 400 pesos. And ganun. Pero in this case, since we were relying on paid charging stations, they're pretty much charging more than twice of what we pay sa mga bahay natin. Overall, parang we paid 2 pesos per kilometer, double than what I usually pay kapag sa bahay lang ako nagcha-charge, which is, it's still a good trade-off, especially coming from an older vehicle na parang ang expense ko per kilometer dati doon was nasa 12 pesos per kilometer. So ngayon, I am definitely paying a lot less than dun sa luma naming sasakyan. Now, if your car is fairly modern, I think ang estimate ko is nasa 3 pesos per kilometer for modern cars. Comparing that with how much I am paying for an EV, 2 pesos per kilometer. Hindi ganoon kalaki yung difference if you will be paying for your quote-unquote gas sa mga paid charging stations, especially considering yung inconvenience ng wala pang masyadong maraming charging stations, tapos matagal ka pang magcha-charge. You need at least 2 hours para magkaroon ka ng substantial na charge, yung mga ganon. So malaking inconvenience, pero at least for now, I enjoy yung konting tipid na nakukuha ko when I do long trips. But if I only do yung trips ko at home, yung nakakapag-charge ako sa bahay, then definitely the savings are more worth it. Plus, ang major motivation ko dito is I'm not burning dead dinosaurs kapag nagda-drive ako. Ayun, kita-kits sa mga susunod na trips.